What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Right now I'm in my truck. I know it's a little different, but I am 6 minutes away, 2.7 miles from my destination of getting my new bike. Brand new, not brand new, but brand new to me, 2020 Bmw S1000Rr. I don't know if I'm going to be able to ride. It is chilly as mess up. I have on a short sleeve, as you can see. It's 59 degrees out and the wind is blowing, so I don't know if I'm going to ride it, but I might. I did bring my jacket with a liner in it, so I should be good. Yeah, I'm going to head over there now, and then if I ride it, it'll cut to that, and if not, I'll catch you guys back at the house. This is the new bike, guys. Taking it for a test drive right now. Whew. That throttle is super responsive. It is a little bit nippy. I can't see shit out of the Rizoma mirrors. Snap, crackle, pop, baby. Just a little nippy out here, and he turned on the heated grips for me. Man, this thing feels good. Ooh. This is the stock exhaust, y'all, and it sounds good. Oh man. Yeah, I can't see nothing out of these mirrors. Man, these heated grips work great, bro. Bro. I'm back on my dream bike, but it's a 2020, bro. Oh, man. I'm so happy right now. You don't understand. Okay, there's a stop sign. I was gonna say, I don't know where the fuck I'm going. I like this to be closer, like that. Man, that freaking the shifter feels great. Alright. This is his riding height is a bit tall. Kinda, it's a little bit taller than what I have. So like I said, this freaking throttle is on it. It'll take some getting used to. She's smooth.
Oh man. But the Flash is a completely different bike. If you take it.
Welcome back. Alright. So, I test drove it. Decided I didn't like the bike. I'm lying. I got the bike, y'all. Bro, this thing is sick, man. Also, don't know what I'm gonna say if I get pulled over. I don't have the tag. I don't have the bill of sale. The bank has all of that, so I have to wait. But man, this thing is mean. Dang. Alright. First startup. Oh man. Oh. Alright, when I get back riding, I'll turn it back on. Man, this bike, bro. Oh my god. This bike is freaking amazing. Bro, you hear that snap, crackle, and pop? Oh my god, bro. Bro, and it has the auto blipper on it. Man, I'm gonna be spoiled with this downshifting now. Oh. This thing leans over so well. Let's hit it. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh, the power! Oh shit! That's gonna get me in trouble. Oh my god! Bro, that has so much get up and fucking go. That, bro, the power is right there on the throttle, bro. As soon as you turn it, you're fucking gone. Oh my god. I love this. So, as you guys saw before, on a clip before this, I went and picked up the bike, I test drove it. You saw my initial reaction of driving that motherfucker. Or driving this motherfucker. And man, this thing is truly amazing. So I found out it has acro headers and mid-pipe. All I need is a can to go on it, because right now it has a silencer on it. But it still sounds good, don't get me wrong. You still hear the snaps, the crackles, and the pops. And man, this summer's gonna be wild, man. I finally got my dream bike, bro. Again, part 2. Come on now, baby. But yeah, first thing to fucking go are these mirrors. They suck bad. They suck bad. Oh man. It doesn't have tank grips on it, so I gotta get those. Cause I was hoping this was gonna pick up the front wheel when I got on it. But I was racing for it to pick up. And I was covering that back brake just in case. So, but it didn't, which is good. Dude, this thing leans over so well. Like, I'm barely even leaning. And it just tips, bro. Oh man, like I have to move my whole fucking arm just for me to see out of these mirrors. Don't get me wrong, they look cool as shit, but they're just not practical for me. I like my bar and mirrors way better. that I can actually see behind me. Cause I'm a big motherfucker. I'm swole. I'm a little wide, man. Man, I really bought my bike, dream bike, twice. You can't tell me shit now, boy. Oh man. Man, oh yeah. So a couple of the new features that I was looking forward to is the cruise control, obviously. Man, I almost bought a 2015 or a 16 just to get cruise control right before I sold my bike. But I was like, man, let me not do that. Let me just go ahead, spoil myself a little bit. Let me go ahead and get a 2020 at least, so I can be up with the current times. But man, this bike has so much done to it already. Just to, like, I'm going to do it, obviously I'm going to do a walk around this bike probably tomorrow and then post it like Monday or something like that. But just to throw out a few things that I'm going to be enjoying. It has the heated grips. It has different modes, of course. All bikes do have different modes nowadays. It has the cruise control. Man, I'm going to use that so much. It already came with levers on it that are adjustable. Man, you can adjust your suspension on here. The headers and the mid pipe, all I need is to slip on to make it a full system with the acro. It's been flashed and tuned, Brent Tune Stage 2. Man, you can't freaking beat it with the stick, bro. Everybody want to fucking race today. I mean, I know, goddamn. I mean, I know it's Friday, but shit. Bike's running hot, or not running hot, but it's getting hot. Just like my old BMW did. So I don't know if he put engine ice in this bike or not. So obviously I'm going to swap it out, do a system, a coolant flush, and then swap it out with engine ice. Because you can't beat that engine ice, baby. Yeah, I don't know if it's about to rain, but I think it's about to rain drop. That's gonna suck. That is a raindrop. Alright. Let's make sure this is snapped down. Bro, the power is right there, baby. The power. The fucking power. I'm not even on the throttle all the way. God. Oh my God, man. I feel like I'm okay out here for this. This is phenomenal. Alright, that's rain right there, so I'm gonna have to turn around and go back the other way and then possibly pull over somewhere for pictures. But I gotta take pictures of this thing. Whoa! Whoa! No, no, no. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh. What was that? That was weird. I just heard it like running through gears, I guess. I ain't never heard a bike do that before. That's probably something with the damn auto blipper. Alright, no more auto blipper. I had my fun. Better fuck my bike up already. Dude, that fan on this bike is loud. I don't know any other bikes or fans that are that loud besides I think it's Honda or Gixxer or something like that. One of those guys. But man, this bike, man, I can't believe I got it for real. Okay, I'm going to wrap the video up here. I'm just going to speed back home, pull over somewhere to get pictures. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Oh, trust me, I'm going to make a lot more videos soon, because I'm off tomorrow too. Hopefully it don't rain. But I'm going to make a lot more videos with this bike. So, if you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, subscribe, share with all your friends. And I will see you guys on the next video. See ya!